In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Meta Facebook Business Suite not working 5 minutes. If Business Suite won't load, keeps spinning, or throws random errors, the quickest fix is to reset the browser data that Business Suite relies on. This clears out stale cookies and site data that can block logins, break sessions, or stop dashboards from rendering correctly. Start by opening your web browser on your computer. I'll walk through the process as it appears in popular browsers like Chrome and Edge, which show a 3-dot menu in the top right corner of the window. With the browser open, look to that top right corner and click the 3-dot icon to open the main menu. This is where most browser settings live, including the privacy controls we need. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you into the control panel for your browser, where you can manage everything from your default search engine to security preferences. On the left hand side, select Privacy and Security. This section contains the tools that handle how your browser stores site information, trackers, and sign-in sessions. Next, find and click Delete Browsing Data, sometimes labeled Clear Browsing Data. This is the command that removes stored information sites leave behind on your device. If your browser shows a time range selector, choose a range that ensures the data for Facebook and Business Suite is included. All time provides the most thorough reset, but you can pick a shorter range if the problem started recently. In the list of items you can remove, make sure to select cookies and other site data. Cookies are what keep you signed in and store session details, and corrupt or outdated cookies are a common reason Business Suite misbehaves. You can leave other options like passwords or autofill unchecked if you don't want to lose them. The goal here is to refresh the connection data for meta services without wiping more than necessary. Finally, confirm by clicking Delete Data. The process may take a few moments. When it's done, return to Meta Business Suite, reload the page, and sign in again. You should notice that pages load cleanly, features like the inbox and planner respond normally, and you're not stuck in a loop. If you manage multiple pages, give each a quick check to verify everything is working. That's it. Clearing cookies and site data is a safe, reliable way to resolve most Business Suite glitches caused by local browser issues. If you're still seeing problems after this, it may be a temporary service issue on Meta's side, so try again later. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you back to managing your business